Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your TikTok video to camera roll. So let's go and make a video. Okay, and this is the video. Now if you want to edit something, edit and hit the next button. Now in the screen you have to make sure that save to album is enabled. If it's disabled, make it enable. It should be green. Then if you don't want to share it to public, you can tab here and you can make this private, so only you can see this. Now post it. Okay, and you are done. Now let's go to camera roll, and as you can see the video is here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can save the TikTok video to your camera roll without posting it publicly. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.